Okay, so we just want to give you guys a little bit of a preview as to the beginning of the trip here. Vance, of course, is still not ready yet. He's in the bathroom currently right now. So here's what we're looking at here. We have the hats ready in preparation. We have some bait ready right here. We have the cooler preparation, which is being started here. We'll walk you around out here. And what we'll show you here, ladies and gentlemen, today is the main voyage to the undisclosed location in the tundra. And we come up around here and we have, boat has just been loaded with all the poles and with all the bungee cords. Everything's ready to go. Take you around to here. We'll show you the loading of this as well. And we got everything ready to go back there as well. We got the Cabela's life jackets, we got the battery, the motor, etc. Alright, and that pretty much does our opening today.
Well, that did not take long, ladies and gents. Took a little while to get them out of there. We had to come over and drive over the stuff. But Catter's first experience on the Pelican. Hold them out for me. Nice job.
And we got number one on the board, ladies and gentlemen.
Number one on the board. There he is. Nice fish to start the day. God. All right, take your time with him. That is a horse.
Holy shit,
bring him. All right, take your time with him. Take your time with him. You net him. You. I got him.
Bringing him right to you.
Oh my, that is a freaking
what a
horse.
Nice fish that is. Yeah.
Get him
that
out.
Guy.
Yes, this is a fish this time.
Boom, sir.
So Cat, how'd you get him?
We got the second fish of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Right out of the middle channel here by Amen Corner. Let it flutter down on the second drop down. He smashed it. Gave us a nice air show as well. So that's fishingwithvance.com. Tried to take me down in the weed bed. I ain't gonna let him. I'm saying Cat Daddy stacking money to the ceiling.
Don't lift him out of the water. That will get him off. There we go.
Boom. It's another hog. It's a hog father day for the cat.
It's another beauty.
Another trophy fish.
Another beauty. Catter's dominating. Got it.
Second bass to the ceiling.
Catter's on fire, folks.
Boom. There's another picture worthy for the cat.
And it's another fish on. This is awesome when I get calls on the lake. This has been fishingwithvance.com. We have a fish on.
Steal.
We got the video, we got music playing. Let's see who's calling me. Wow. I don't know who that was. Let's take the picture. Cat with another one.
What happened there, folks, was Catter goes the backhand throw. It hits the wagon wheel over there, as you can see, on a fly, bounces back into the water. Bass hammers it. Welcome to Miller time.
Vance has a chance to maybe get on the board. No, it's weeds. I don't want the jump stick on. Take your time. I'm gonna take my time with him. He's a nice one.
See that? He's not ready yet.
Yep. Now he is.
Nice fish.
All right, D. We're up here in Hope Corner, I think you call it, and Vance is getting his ass kicked today. He's caught one bass. He's missed one. His head is pretty much up his ass. Other than now, Catter's broken out of Miller. Here's one for him. He is actually in the front of the boat. Started on fire. He caught 4 hogs, which you'll see later. But I pretty much now decided I'm going to go for a different type of a catch, and that's this.
Steak sandwich, as you would call it.
It's steak sandwich time. Wish you were with us. You will be tomorrow, so it'll be welcome to Miller time then.
Hi, Life. We'll see you soon, buddy.
Yes. All right, here we are back in the garage after a relatively short day today. Catter will summarize it for us. D-Man's not here right now. He'll be down this weekend for no doubt more thrilling videos. But Cat, why don't you tell us about our fishing day today?
All right, so had a wonderful fishing day today, again at an undisclosed location, of course. Unfortunately, a little bit slower than before because of the wind and because of the timing of everything, but still pretty decent showing. 5 fish for me, 1 fish for Vance. All pretty nice size, which was good. So without further ado, you know what we do here on fishingwithvance.com. Today it's going to be me instead of High Life, but same ending ceremonies as usual. So we're going to get in here into the Brute Bison cooler, and we're going to get out some High Lifes.
Thank you.
Welcome to Miller time.
Whoa. God forgives and I don't. It's one of my many emotions. That's one of my many flaws. I am flawed. It may not seem that way, but I am. So don't play with me. If I could talk about the bodies, I could tell you about the killing, duct taping.